Hi friends, welcome to Vivia's Playtime. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're gonna learn a little bit about shapes and colors, and you guys need to help me guess what's in our eggs. You help me guess what shapes are in there, what colors in there, and look, Zuma came to join us, and Gecko came, and Owlette came, because they want to help you learn too. So let's get started. Let's start right here. What do you guys think is in here? What color? Let's start with colors. What color do you think is in here? I'm going to guess purple. Let's see. Oh, I was wrong. Do you know what color this is? Red. Good job. This is red. Okay, help me with the next one. What color do you think is going to be in here? I'm going to guess yellow. Oh, I was wrong. It's blue. How many of you guessed blue? Oh, good job. You're a much better guesser than I am. Okay, let's look in here. I will guess purple. Oh, goodness, it was orange. Here we have orange. Okay, let's go to this one. What do you think's here? What's your guess? I'm going to guess green. Oh, it was purple. Here we have purple. Okay, here's our next one. I'm going to guess yellow. It has to be yellow this time, right? Oh, purple again. Okay, here we go. Here's another one. I will guess blue. What's your guess? Okay, let's give it a shot. Oh, it was green. I guessed green last time. Okay, let's go right here. I'm going to guess yellow. I'm right! It was yellow! Here we have yellow. And yellow is like our egg carton too. Okay, let's see what's in here. What's your guess? Okay, I'm gonna say orange this time. Oh, it was green again. Okay, what's your guess? Okay, I'm going with blue. I'm right! It was blue! How many of you guessed blue? Oh, good job! Okay, here we go. What's your guess? I'll say red? Red! Yes, I'm getting better at this. Let's go here. I'm going to guess blue? What do you guys guess? Okay, let's see if you're right. It was yellow. Okay, here's our last one. I'm gonna say orange. What do you think? Okay, let's see. Orange, I was right. You guys are good at this. Okay, should we count and see how many eggs we had? Can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. You guys are good counters. Now let's talk for a minute about our shapes. Okay, let's look at our shapes. This is a circle. A circle, completely round. Let's see what's in here. Here we have an X. A blue X. We'll talk about the colors too. Here we have an orange circle. And here, let's see, a purple triangle. Do you see that? Do you see how this triangle has 3 sides? 3 sides are what make it a triangle. Here we have a purple, you tell me what this is. Heart, good job, a purple heart. And here we have a green star. Yes, that was great. Let's see what's in this one. Does anybody remember what shapes were here when we were talking about our colors? An orange triangle. Remember, the triangle has 3 sides, making it a triangle. Let's see what we have here. A yellow heart. Here we have our red X. Here we have our blue square. We know it's a square because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides of all the same length and size. They're equal. Blue square. You guys know that, right? Here we have a green star. And here we have another square. And how do we know it's a square? Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 corners with all the same sides. Right here, we have a yellow square. You guys are amazing. You guys are so smart and you're learning so much. You guys helped me count all of our eggs. You guys helped me learn our colors. And you helped me with our shapes. You guys are doing so fantastic. I'm so proud of how much you're learning. And Gecko and Owlette and Zuma are super proud of you too. You guys are learning so much. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to watch all of our videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!